Hello there, welcome back to another video. So in today's live market analysis, our pair is GBPAUD, as you can see. So I'm currently on the 4-hour time frame as usual. So I've already analyzed this pair, right? And I'm gonna take you through on how I went about analyzing this pair. So as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, I switched to a line graph to identify my key levels, my 4 key levels. As you can see, this is my first key level, my second key level, my third, and my fourth key level. So I saw that the market is playing around this key level, and this key level, between inside 3 key levels, right? And when I switched back to candlesticks and dig deeper to the hourly time frame, I saw that the market is in an expanding type structure, is in an expanding type trend, right? So currently the market broken out of my key level, tested, and the market has a higher chance of pushing to the upside, further buying. Hence I'm still in this bullish trend. So once the market breaks out of my bullish trend, that's where the market would sell. But for now, that we are currently focused on buys, right? So this was the trend that I saw on the hourly time frame, and I catered for my zones. So moving deeper into the 30 minutes time frame, this was the bullish trend that I identified. And currently, so previously the market gave me a second touch on my supporting trend line, right? So since the market has given me a touch on my supporting trend line, and which also resulted in a fake out, as you can see via this weak rejection on my key level, it's a sign that the market is basically retesting this key level, or is respecting this key level. So as you can see right now, the market is currently forming a double bottom for me on my bullish trend. So should the market give me a third touch on my supporting trend line, that's basically one of the confirmations for me to enter a buy position, because I see that I've broken out of my key level and the market has touched my supporting trend line, giving me also a reversal chart pattern, which is a double bottom. So the market has a higher chance of actually pushing to the upside. And if I were to buy, okay, if the market were to respect my setup, which would behave in this manner, push to the upside, break out of my double bottom, retest, that's where I would enter a buy and close probably when the market touches my resisting trend line, right? So once the market reaches my resisting trend line, I would lock profits to break even, which is where I entered my buy position, right? Which is where, yes, I entered my buy position at break even, to see whether the market is gonna continue, break my resisting trend line, retest. And once the market retests, that's where I'm gonna scale in, which is adding more trades to winning trades. So I would add few trades, and that's basically a confirmation for me. That would basically be a confirmation for me to scale in on the trade and basically close at my nearest key level, which is there. So this is basically my target for this setup on GBPAUD. So once the market hits here, that's why I'm gonna look to break even to see whether the market is gonna reverse from there or continue breakout retest and push to the upside until my key level. But if the market does not break out of my resisting trend line and basically from there reverse, it would stop me with no profits and no loss. That's like break even. That's fair for me. So should the market not cross my resistance trend line, continue, should it reverse, it would stop me out with no profit and no loss. So that's basically my anticipation. That's basically my setup for GBPAUD. And yes, that's all. So thank you for watching. Thank you for investing your time into watching this video. And if you enjoyed, please hit that like button. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or questions you wanna ask. Feel free to leave them in the comments, and please make sure to subscribe for more of these content. So without any further waste of time, I'll see you on the next video.